Hello guys, let's talk about Amazon S3. Do you know the use of Amazon S3? The importance of Amazon S3? There are two words that are always around whenever we talk about S3. The first one is durability. The second one is availability. When we refer to S3 storage types, it's important to have those two words in mind. So let's develop those words. There are key aspects of Amazon S3 Service Level Agreement, SLA, reflecting its reliability, robustness as a data storage solution. Let's break down the first aspect, which is durability. Let's assume that you store 10 million objects with AWS S3. You can expect to lose at most one object every 10,000 years. This incredibly high concept is known as 99% durability. It is achieved through several mechanisms. The first mechanism is data replication, where S3 automatically replicates data across multiple facilities and within a minimum of 3 physical availability zones in AWS region. This redundancy ensures that your data is safe in the case of complete data center failure. Let me walk you through an example. Imagine, let's say, you made a documentary film and you have stored all your footage on AWS S3. So to protect this valuable content, AWS automatically duplicates your footage across several locations within the region you have chosen. It can be AUS1 for Ireland, AUS3 for Paris or other regions. This means that even if one location experiences a disaster like a fire or flood, your documentary footage remains safe and accessible from other locations. This process of duplicating your data across several physical availability zones will allow you to focus on your creative process without worry about data loss. We spoke about data replication within 99% durability concept. Now let's break down the second mechanism, error corrections. S3 employs advanced error correction algorithm to detect and repair any loss of corrupted data automatically. Let me walk you through an example. Still in the concept of filmmaker, you have stored all the raw footage and edit in S3 for safekeeping and easy access. So what S3 will do? S3 will act like a highly skilled digital librarian that not only keeps your film data organized, but also constantly checks the integrity of your files. It means that if S3 finds any piece of your precious footage damaged or missing, a bit like discovering a scratch on a film reel or a corrupted digital file, it automatically fixes these errors. This is close to having an invisible, tireless assistant who not only ensures all your film reels are in perfect condition, but also repairs any damage without even noticing, ensuring your creative work remain intact and ready for the final cut. Thank you and bye for now.